Guys, watch this amazing hoof restoration process. The farrier begins by removing the horseshoe. And let me tell you, it takes real strength and effort. He's using clippers to cut through the nails, and slowly but surely, the shoe comes off. You can already see the dirt and mud packed inside the hoof, showing this horse has been working in rough, muddy conditions. Now with the shoe removed, the farrier starts trimming the overgrown frog, that V-shaped part in the center of the hoof. But here's the challenge. The hoof has become so hard and tough that the hoof knife isn't enough. So the farrier switches tools and starts carefully chipping away with more force. Every cut requires focus and effort. You might be wondering, why is this so important? Well, when the frog is overgrown or uneven, it puts pressure on the hoof and makes walking painful for the horse. That's why restoring it to a clean V shape is essential. After carefully reshaping the frog, the farrier moves on to the inner part of the hoof, removing the dirty, damaged layer. With each stroke, the healthy white layer begins to appear, which is a sign that the hoof is returning to proper condition. Next comes trimming the outer edges of the hoof. Using the clipper again, the farrier cuts around the edge, giving it a neat U-shape. This step is super important because it prepares the hoof to fit a new horseshoe properly and safely, without causing pain or imbalance. And finally, it's time for rasping, one of the most satisfying parts. The rasp smooths the surface, balances the hoof, and gives it a polished finish. It's like filing your nails after a trim, making sure everything is neat and perfect. And just like that, the hoof is fully restored, healthy, clean, and ready for a fresh horseshoe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing hoof transformations. Tell us below, which part of the process did you find most satisfying?